this video, I am going to tell you something very interesting and important, which all Indians must know. Excited to hear? Do you know India has one standard time for the whole country? But why? Why is it important to have a standard time for the whole country? Let me tell you. The first and the most important thing you need to know is that the local time of a place depends on the longitude which passes through it. So let us find out the longitudes which pass through India and how do they affect the time of the country. As you have studied in my previous video that the India's longitudinal extent is 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. When you will calculate, you will find that there is a difference of approximately 30 degrees between these two longitudes. Any idea how much time the sun will take to reach from easternmost longitude to the westernmost longitude? Let me explain you in an easy way. We all know that the sun is a static body, whereas Earth rotates, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Therefore, it will take 1 hour to complete the rotation of 15 degrees. Now you can easily calculate how much time the Earth will take to complete the rotation of 30 degrees. Yes, you are right. 2 hours. Thus, you can say that there will be a difference of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. This is the reason that the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh than in Gujarat, and this creates a time difference. Let us understand it like this. If you are staying in Gujarat and your best friend is in Arunachal Pradesh, then you both will have different times on your watches. Or when your watch shows 4 p.m. at the same time your friend's watch will show 2 p.m. Wouldn't it be very confusing for both of you to schedule a meeting? There will be a number of problems. If we follow the different local times for different parts of our country, then what solution do you have? What if we have one standard time for the whole country? Great idea, isn't it? So to avoid a lot of confusion which would have been there by following different local times, we have selected one standard time meridian for the whole country. It is called the Indian Standard Time Meridian, and its value is 82 degrees 30 minutes east. You can see it passes through the middle of the country. It has helped to avoid a lot of confusion which would have been there by following different local times or in absence of a uniform time. Hope this is clear to you. So children, let us end today's class here. We'll see you in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel and get notifications about upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.